Hey, it's JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. Today we're going to pick a winner for a giveaway. This is for the LUIGX Badge Holder and Card Wallet, a really nice item. If you missed the review video, do check out the link in the card above or the description below, and check out a link to that product in the description as well. In that video, I said that one lucky person will win it delivered to their door worldwide. So it's very simple. All that person needed to do was be a subscriber, like the video, and leave a comment. And I have the comments loaded up in this app. I'm going to press the button to pick a winner, and whoever's username appears will be the winner of the badge holder and the wallet. So all the best. Here we go. And the winner is Jason Beecher 509. All the best. Congratulations to you, Jason. You have won this giveaway. All you need to do is now email me at urbanknifeguy@gmail.com with your details, and we'll make sure we get you the prize to your doorstep. Well, that's it. As simple as that. Another giveaway is done. There's still one more to go, so do subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications, because then you'll be notified when the giveaway video is out, and it's going to be out this week. Well, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.